Hi, Jenna here in my father-in-law's I Heart Transcona t-shirt, which is like 80 years old. It's a neighborhood in Winnipeg. Anyway, if you know, you know. Here to talk about the challenge accepted. I just did a story about this, but I keep getting nominated and it's like so sweet. But I wasn't gonna do it, but here I am. Humble brag? I don't know. If you haven't been nominated, it just hasn't made its way into your circle of friends yet. And if you're feeling excluded, I nominate you right now. I think you're incredible. I think everything you're doing out there is awesome and you're trying your hardest. And I nominate you. So post a black and white photo that says challenge accepted in the caption. Technically you're supposed to tag me, but do it or don't, whatever. And just keep watching. I'll show you how to make it black and white if you have an iPhone and maybe don't know how.
Okay, if you're not yet using portrait mode, you've got to use portrait mode. So open up your iPhone, go to take a picture, and scroll along the bottom where it says photo, portrait, square, blah, blah, blah. And then you can also choose the type of lighting you want to have in that portrait mode. Basically, it's going to make your face be in full focus and everything else be a little bit blurry. And then just open up the photo in your albums app, and where you see those three intersecting circles at the bottom, that chooses a filter. Then you can scroll through the filters, and there's going to be a black and white one there. You can honestly do this challenge in like 2 seconds.